This tiny gadget claims to do something incredible for your Q2 or Q2l SUV, but does it really deliver? We're looking at the VVYEVAKES stainless steel side pedal outer pedal accessories, designed to be a direct fit for the original Q2l pedal. Now, at first glance, these might seem like simple additions, but they're actually quite functional. They're built to bear large weight and friction, acting as a sturdy supporting platform for getting on and off your vehicle. Imagine stepping into your car with more confidence, especially if you've got kids or older passengers. The installation is straightforward, as they're fixedly arranged at the bottom of the automobile body, integrating seamlessly with the original design. What really stands out is the surface texture. It features a dentate or punctate convex anti-slip pattern, which is a smart touch. This isn't just about looks. It's about safety, providing that extra grip you need, especially in wet conditions. Beyond the practical benefits, these pedals significantly enhance the overall aesthetic. They make the Q2l look more atmospheric and stable, giving it a more premium and robust presence. The stainless steel construction itself adds a touch of class. While the item dimensions are quite compact, measuring just under 5 inches in length, their impact on the vehicle's appearance and usability is noticeable. The 50-gram weight suggests they won't add any unnecessary bulk. From a performance perspective, the ability to handle significant weight and friction is key. These aren't flimsy add-ons. They're designed to be a durable part of your car's exterior. The manufacturer, Hong Sen T1981, seems to have focused on creating a product that is both visually appealing and genuinely useful. It's a small upgrade that can make a big difference in the daily experience of driving and using your Q2l. So, what's the verdict on these stainless steel side pedals? They offer a compelling combination of enhanced safety, improved aesthetics, and practical functionality. If you're looking to give your Q2l a subtle yet impactful upgrade, these pedals are definitely worth considering. They add a touch of rugged elegance and a welcome boost in usability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.